Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. I hope you're all doing very well and thank you for tuning in to another episode here on Future Investments. Now today I want to talk about fractional gold, a topic we have covered before, but I want to talk more specifically about 1 gram gold bars. Now for the purpose of the video, I have got a wide range of fractional gold in front of me. I've got two 5 gram gold bars here. I've got a collection, or a stack should I say, of 1 ounce silver Britannias, and I've got some 1/4 ounce gold Britannias with King Charles and Queen Elizabeth on, and I've got some 1 gram gold bars there. Now why do I want to talk about fractional gold, but more specifically 1 gram gold bars? Well, the reason for that is very simple. If you're an avid follower of us here on Future Investments, you will know that I've been hotly covering the CBDC topic as of very recently. That's because there's some crazy stuff going on when it comes to CBDCs. For example, the European Central Presidential Bank leader, her name is Christine Lagarde, has come out and recently said that if you're in Europe, you cannot now spend over 1,000 euros without being in trouble. They're going to make it a legal parameter to make it difficult for you to spend 1,000 euros. You could potentially face time in prison, she said. Now, if you don't believe me, I've done a video on that recently with a link to that video in the description below. So if you want to find it, just go on my previous video and look in the description and you'll find that video. It's completely true. That's what she said. So what does that mean for gold? Well, I believe gold prices are going to have a dramatic effect from this. I think people are going to run to gold and silver, as we know it's one of the safest and best hedges against economic turmoil and inflation in the markets. So I think people will run to gold and silver, which will increase the prices. Now, right now, it hasn't appeared to have started because CBDCs is kind of laying in the shadows. It's not really come into full fruition as of yet. However, if you're an investor or a wise investor, maybe someone that's stacking gold and silver, you will know about CBDCs and your eyes will be wide open to what's to come. Now, I think this will affect gold. So why do I think you should buy fractional gold, but more specifically 1 gram gold bars? Well, I know I've done a video covering this topic before, but now it changes because of the effects that CBDCs have. Normally, you would say stay away from 1 gram gold bars because they have such high premiums. You would have to wait a very long time to recoup any investment you've made. But when you look at when you look at precious metals, it's not just about, as an investment, making profit. It's about storing some wealth in an asset that is going to increase with inflation. Now, when you start to forget about the premiums and the maybe slightly higher prices from buying brand new from bullion dealers, you're still storing wealth into an asset, whether you have premiums on the item or not. Now, as of now, a 1 gram gold bar like this probably fetches around the £70 mark if you're going for a nice premium brand like the Royal Mint, but you may be able to find it cheaper if you're looking private sales. But with that comes the risk of buying fraudulent gold. So me personally, I like to stick to buying from bullion dealers. Now, fractional gold, it's a really popular topic when it comes to gold and silver. There's a bit of a love-hate relationship for it, but I have found in the last couple of years, people are going more towards favouring fractional gold for this important reason. I think that people are starting to realise fractional gold is going to become one of the most liquid assets when it comes to precious metals. For example, if you invest in a 1 ounce gold Britannia coin, such as this lovely piece here, it may be a great store of investment, but it's not going to be as easy to liquidate as some fractional gold. Now, with prices increasing, and I think they're going to increase dramatically once the general public really does become aware of CBDCs and the main news really starts hitting home about the government's plan to really start introducing the CBDC effect where you have to start using them. I think gold prices will see a huge spike. Mark my words. Come back to this video when they've spiked, because I really do believe that. So, 1 gram gold bars, although they've got the premiums, I think this will be one of the only affordable things for new investor to invest in when it comes to gold. Right now, I mean, even if you are a new investor, you probably would start with buying 1 gram gold bars because it's a nice way to enter the precious metals market without having to spend a lot of money. But can you imagine in 10 years from now when CBDCs are in full effect and gold prices are astronomically high, people will only be able to afford 1 gram gold bars like this, or quarter ounce, probably not even quarter ounce. I mean, right now, a quarter ounce gold Britannia coin is fetching around £450 brand new from a bullion dealer. I mean, that's a lot of money. So, yeah, out of reach for most people. So you're looking at the 5 gram bars sort of fetching around £280 to £300, and the 1 gram bars fetching around 60 to 70, even £80. And then you've got the silver, the 1 ounce silver Britannias, in my opinion, superly undervalued right now. You can pick one up for around £25 brand new. I think this is a great investment. In fact, I should probably start buying more of these because I really do believe this is super undervalued right now with the current main usage of this in the industrial market. So I am going to go ahead and say buy fractional gold, especially 1 gram gold bars, because I think when the time comes, you'll be very glad you did, because it's going to be easy to liquidate, it's easy to store, and it's still a fantastic investment. You don't need to be embarrassed that you're buying only 1 gram gold bars, because it's an investment nonetheless. And I like the saying of it's better to have some gold than no gold. And if you're one of these people that goes, well, maybe you're right, future investments, maybe the market is going to increase, the prices are going to rocket up, but I'll wait and see. In my experience, I like the saying, it's better to have time in the market than trying to time the market, because from my own experience, I've tried to time the market, and by doing that, I've lost out. So I think there is no time like the present. Buy gold and silver bullion, because in a few years from now, you'll be very thankful you did. And if you're buying fractional gold, I think that's an even smarter investment to make. So thanks very much for watching. Make sure you let me know in the comment section below your views on this, whether you agree or disagree. I would love to know. So until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.